Good evening, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about how I got it wrong replacing the iPhone X screen. How did I get it wrong? Right, the brand new screen assembly comes together with the actual screen and the frame. This one, it comes together. That means when you're removing the screen from your old phone or removing the damaged screen, you need to remove this one together. But what did I do? Well, typical of me, I remove the screen, leaving the frame on the phone. One thing I noticed straight away was the flexible cable on top. The flexible cable here looked different from the video I was trying to follow. I had to do a bit of jigging out, but I could not find any video explain. So it's only after starting everything I realized actually I had taken the screen out wrongly. I should have taken out the screen together with the frame. So this was mistake number one. Mistake number two, to do the screen assembly correctly, you also need another machine called programmer. So the programmer, after you remove the old screen, you need to connect the old screen to the programmer. So the programmer can now take the program from this screen for true color. After that, you need now to take the new screen, put the programmer to transfer the true color setting to it. I didn't do that. So my picture quality on my phone is not the best, but I don't really care. I only use iPhone for things like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp. Occasionally I take my own photograph and that's it. Alright guys, if you like my video, follow and like. Thank you.